Hey guys, well, exciting things are happening here and we are looking like we're avoiding a C-section altogether. I am thrilled because I did not want that for her. But her water broke and she's in labor. We're not pushing yet, but hopefully we will be here soon. It's around lunchtime, Friday. Today's the 15th, I think. So we're a little later than I would have been comfortable with, but the vet seemed to think, let her do her thing and keep a close eye on her. So here we go. Well, it's been a long afternoon, but we have 4 beautiful babies. There's 2 boys and 2 girls. I'm excited to let you guys know our litter theme when we figure it out and what their names will be. And there's Mia's babies. Mia, what do you think? You got some new roommates. You're not too sure what to think, do you? So thank you all that prayed that she would have them naturally. We're so thankful we didn't have to go the C-section route. Even though I trust our vets, I just didn't want that for her. So we are thrilled they are here. I am tired, and we will update you guys soon.